Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display product category in WooCommerce email, which include admin or customer or user email. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. When we place order in email we receive, we are going to display product category also. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code, and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title, and then you see code preview. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see text product category, so you can add text according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now select payment method, cash on delivery, enable this option, and then click on place order. Now you see order received done. Now go to Gmail or email address to check. So this is our email we received from WooCommerce, and then you see product name, and then you see product category, digital product. Now you see another product with product category name. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.